Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the owner of CCV Craft. Today I'm going to show us how to make this design. It's a lovely design and I made one for client last week and I just thought it would be wise to do a video on this. Okay, to get started, I'll be using size 6 crystal bead, silver, and size 2 seed bead. So I have it here. This is size 2 seed bead. And this bead, this design, you can make it in different ways with different sizes. Like this one you see, I made it with size 6 crystal bead with size 1 seed bead. And you can see how tiny it is. And the size 1, instead of picking 3, I picked 5 because it's size 1. You see how beautiful it looks. Why this? I made this with size 2 seed bead with size 6 crystal bead. And this I picked 3 seed bead instead of 5, like the way I did in the other one. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using size 2 seed bead with size 6 crystal bead. And today I have my beading needle, size 9, my fishing line 0.35, and size 2 seed bead with size 6 crystal bead. Cut a comfortable fishing line, then you pick size 1, size 2 seed bead, you pick the size 6 crystal 3 times, just as if you're making your beading bead design. As if you're making beading bead. This is the same pattern you make your beading bead. The base looks the same. And here I have this. So I will tie. I'll tie it at the bottom. So after tying, you have this. You have this. The same base with beading bead. Okay, now I'll pass my needle through this small one here. And I have my fishing line facing up. You see it here. Then at this point, I'll pick one crystal bead with 3 seed bead. I have this. Then I skip this crystal here and pass it through the next seed bead here. Then I'll have something like this. Then the next step, I pick another crystal with 3 seed bead. The same thing I did before. And then I skip the crystal in front and pass it through the seed bead. And I'll continue this way till I go around the 3 seed bead. Then I pick another crystal and 3 seed bead. 3 seed beads like this. Then because this is the last seed bead here where I tied before, then I'll pass through the seed bead there like this. I have this, something like this, after going through the 3. So at this point we're stepping up. And to step up, since I'm coming out from here, I'll do the same thing I did before by picking one crystal, 3 seed beads. 3 seed bead. Then here, this is where my fishing line is coming out from here. Then I'll skip this crystal bead here and pass through the first one up here. If you can see this one here, this way I'm passing my needle through. At this point I have this. So this point I have to pick another crystal bead, pick one crystal, 3 seed bead. This is the same thing you do till you get to the length you want. Bead, bracelet, earring or necklace. I pick another one. Then here, see where I'm coming out from here, I have to skip this seed bead here and pass through the first seed bead. Immediately you skip the crystal bead, you pass your needle through the seed bead after that crystal bead. So I have this like this. Then I pick another crystal bead with 3 seed beads like this, the same way. Then I'm skipping the size 6 crystal bead, going through the small seed bead. Then don't worry about the shape. As you progress, the shape will come out. Then I pick another crystal bead and 3 seed beads. The same pattern. That's why I love this design, because the same pattern, once you get the basic and the basis and know how it's done, you get to the length you want. So here you are, look at it, this is the shape. Then the same way, all you know, before, always remember that before you pick your seed bead, your 3 seed bead, you should pick the size 6 first. This, it will always go then. And as you pick it, always remember to skip the crystal bead and pass through the next seed bead. So as you progress, you see the shape. You see it's forming the shape now. You always have the crystal bead, 3 of it, and the seed bead in between. You see the space. So at this point, I'll pick another crystal bead and 3 seed bead. So continue like this till you get to your desired length. And don't forget to comment on this video, share my videos, like and subscribe. If you have any question as regard to this video, don't hesitate to chat me up and I will give answers to your concern. This is it. Continue the same way as I showed you earlier. Just like this, you see the shape is already formed the shape. This is the shape. So as you continue, you see it just be going like that. This is it. And that's the same thing I did to get these designs. See you next time. Bye bye.